Hey peeps, it's Julian here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. We're on question 1.6 from the 2017 IEB Maths Lit Paper 1, and this question deals with calculating travel allowances, which falls part of financial maths. It says Lebochan's boss, Mr. Moodley, gets a monthly travel allowance. He drives a car valued at 456,000 Rand and on average covers this distance of 1,200 kilometers per month. They use the SARS table below, and you can use this SARS table to then answer the questions that follow. You can see they've given us the rates per kilometer. So it's subdivided into categories of the different values of cars. You get a fixed cost, then you get also a fuel cost, which is cents per kilometer, and a maintenance cost, which is also cents per kilometer. And then in 1.6.1, they've asked us to determine Mr. Moodley's monthly fixed traveling costs. So they've told us that his traveling costs should fall in the category of 125,303 Rand, and this is because they value his car at 456,000. So that's in this category over here. So 456,000 is in this category. So we need to use this fixed cost because they said calculate the monthly fixed traveling cost. So this is for the fixed cost Rands per annum. So P.A is per annum. So now we need to find it, what's it per month. So it's this 125,003 Rand divided by 12 for the 12 months. So put that in your calculator and you get that this is 10,441 Rand and 92 cents. So that's the first answer. Then they're asking us in the next question, determine Mr. Moodley's monthly fuel costs in rands. So again, we're still in this category over here. So the monthly fuel cost is that it's 132 cents per kilometer. And they've told us he travels on average 1,200 kilometers. So for question 1.6.2, it's going to be this 1,200 kilometers multiplied by the 132 cents that we read from the table. And this is going to equal 158,400 cents, and they want the answer in rands, so we need to convert to rands. So then in rands, this is going to be 158,400 cents divided by 100. Because to convert from cents to rands, we need to divide by 100. This is going to equal R 1,584 Rand. So you can just put in your calculators this 158,400 cents divided by 100, and it gives us our total fuel cost per month in rands. Then determine the missing A, which is in cents per kilometer, if Mr. Moodley's monthly maintenance cost is 768 Rand. So A is over here. So for question 1.6.3, they say that his monthly maintenance cost is 768 Rand, and the maintenance cost is cents per kilometer. So let's find out what rands per kilometer will be. And remember, he drives on average 1,200 kilometers per month. So we need to divide by that 1,200 kilometers per month. So in your calculators, this gives us the answer of, so in rands, it's going to be 64, so 0.64. So obviously this is 64 cents, but just to do the conversion, you need to divide by 100 to get to cents. So this is going to obviously be 64 cents per kilometer. And that's what A is equal to. And that concludes question 1.6. Before I go, I'd just like to give a special thanks to our epic sponsor for making this video possible. Read all about them in the description below. Be sure to visit our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. And remember, if you can't find the answer to your question, send us your question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. And until next time, stay